Bye to me. Bye to you. It doesn't seem to really pop. Well, it gets like big chunks of skin, and so I pick at him. Does he, hey, what's up? How are you? I know you smile, but you don't, I've never hardly ever seen you smile.
They smile a lot. I'm smiling a lot.
Sweet fun smile. A little bit.
And my feet are kind of
A little bit.
ticklish.
They're not cold. At least they're not cold.
No, he's very warm-blooded.
So, well, I have lots of insulation.
Yeah, it's okay. Somebody was holding him yesterday, and they were like, "Does he have knees and elbows?" I was like, "Yeah, they're in there." Quit doing this.
You need to find your thumb, little dude. Thumbs are good. They are.
My pointer's pretty good too.
Yeah, they look weird. They look like freaks. Yeah. And then I've heard of seen kids
Backwards,
going
yeah.
right.
And their teeth are like
And that
this.
really screws their teeth up, and it messes up their palate. It makes their palate too high. It does. We don't want you to be weird. No. I'll hurry.
Hey, little buddy. Hey, little buddy. Lucas.
I know you want some Coke. Good.
Waiting for him to start talking. Hey, come over here. Let me show you something. This article right here, what they're talking about is the...
Pull out his...
Excuse me.
Pull
Never
out
mind.
if he was born like that. It's gonna get cold over here now. It's cold on me. I feel that air blows.
I'm pretty sure it is. I think there's a smaller one.
There are some.